Looking to uncover hidden treasures in 2025? In this video, we're revealing the 5 best metal detectors that offer top performance, accuracy, and value for every level of treasure hunter. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these picks, from GBNryg, PANCKY, ULHUND, RIPTIC to SAKOBS, are built to impress. Stay tuned as we explore their key features and help you choose the perfect one. Let's get detecting. Number 5. The GBNryg Professional Metal Detector is a powerful and user-friendly tool ideal for adults seeking adventure. Featuring a large 12 inches IP68 waterproof search coil, it offers deep, accurate detection, even locating coins 12 inches underground. Powered by an advanced DSP chip, it delivers 40% more accuracy and excellent target stability. With 5 distinct modes including all metal, disc, jewelry, memory, and pinpoint, it suits all types of treasure hunts, from coins to gold. The lightweight design, collapsible shaft, and intuitive LCD backlit display make it perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. It also includes a full treasure hunting kit, batteries, backpack, headphones, digger, and manual. The adjustable shaft and sensitivity settings add to its versatility, while the waterproof coil is perfect for beaches and shallow waters. Whether you're locating property markers or treasure hunting, this detector offers exceptional performance and fun. A great gift for any explorer. Number 4. The PANCKY PK075 Metal Detector is a top choice for beginners and casual treasure hunters seeking performance and simplicity. Equipped with an upgraded DSP chip, it offers 25% better speed, sensitivity, and accuracy, ideal for focusing on valuable finds while ignoring junk. Its 10 inches IP68 waterproof coil allows beach and shallow water exploration, while 5 detection modes, all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, pinpointer, adapt to various treasure types. The intuitive LCD with backlight ensures visibility in low light conditions, and silicone buttons provide satisfying, responsive control. Ergonomically designed with an adjustable shaft and lightweight build, it's comfortable for users of all ages. The kit includes useful accessories like a carry bag, shovel, earphones, and 2 high-capacity batteries, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Whether for hobbyists or as a gift, the PANCKY Metal Detector delivers reliable performance, ease of use, and extra value. A fantastic tool for turning any walk into a treasure hunt. Number 3. The ULHUND Upgraded Metal Detector is a reliable, high-accuracy tool perfect for both beginners and seasoned treasure hunters. Powered by an advanced DSP chip and a 10 inches waterproof search coil, it offers improved sensitivity and a 12 inches detection depth, great for efficient scanning. It features 4 detection modes, all metal, disc, notch, pinpoint, allowing you to accurately identify and isolate valuable finds like coins, gold, jewelry, and relics while ignoring trash. The IP68 waterproof coil is ideal for beach or shallow water use, control box not waterproof, and the lightweight design with adjustable stem and ergonomic armrest ensures comfortable use for all ages. Built for versatility, it handles parks, yards, and beaches with ease. Users have praised it for its accuracy and ease of use. Some even credit it with finding lost valuables quickly. With lifetime support and thoughtful features like auto ground balancing, ULHUND offers great value and dependable performance. Number 2. The RIPTIC Metal Detector for adults is an excellent all-in-one kit, perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike. With 5 smart detection modes, all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, it helps you accurately identify valuable items like coins, gold, and relics while filtering out junk. Its 10 inches IP68 waterproof coil is ideal for beach, creek, and field exploration, offering a solid 10 inches detection depth for reliable results. The adjustable shaft, 19 inches to 50 inches, and lightweight build ensure comfort during long searches, making it suitable for both teens and adults. Thanks to its advanced DSP chip, the detector reduces false signals and improves precision. Users love the easy setup, intuitive interface, and full accessory kit, including headphones, pinpointer, digging tool, and carry bag. Whether you're new to metal detecting or just want a fun outdoor hobby, the RIPTIC kit delivers great value, performance, and everything needed to start treasure hunting right out of the box. Number 1. The SAKOBS Metal Detector for adults is a high-performance, professional-grade tool built for serious treasure hunters and beginners alike. Equipped with an upgraded Double D 11 inches coil and advanced 3rd generation DSP chip, this detector offers enhanced accuracy, faster detection speed, and deeper reach up to 12.8 inches underground. It recognizes 9 types of metal targets, including coins, jewelry, silver, and gold, with 4 intuitive modes: all metal, discrimination, jewelry, and pinpointer. The lightweight 2.7-pound ULHUND foldable aluminum frame and compact design make it easy to transport, fitting neatly into the included backpack. With stable performance across various terrains, it's ideal for yard searches, parks, beaches, and even mountainous regions. Users praise its precise depth readouts and easy operation, perfect for property line locating or casual exploration. The full kit includes a durable digger, quality headphones, and backpack, offering incredible value. If you're looking for reliability and depth in one sleek package, this detector delivers.